Stargazers will be in for a treat in 2022, as there will be a plethora of objects to observe in the night sky. Among other things, this involves a 5-planet alignment and 2 complete lunar eclipses. To see the celestial light shows, all you need is clear skies. However, having a telescope and a cup of coffee on hand could come in handy for those who want to see the largest planetary alignments shortly before dawn. These top 10 astronomical events of 2022 are sure to pique the interest of stargazers. Number 10. The Venus Show. The most magnificent of all the planets will shine low in the southeast sky a couple of hours before sunrise, grazing the pre-dawn morning sky. On February 13th, Venus will be at its brightest, like a magnificent crescent phase via tiny telescopes and steadily held binoculars. It will have dwindled to a half-moon phase on March 20th, the first day of spring, while reaching its greatest western elongation from the Sun. On February 26, the Moon will join it in a beautiful cosmic dance along the way. Number 8. LYRID Meteor Shower Peaks. The LYRIDs are a typical shower, with roughly 20 meteors per hour at the peak. Tiny particles left behind by comet C-1861 G1 Thatcher, discovered in 1861, cause it to shine. The shower takes place every year from April 16th to April 25th. This year, it peaks during the night of the 22nd and the morning of the 23rd. These meteors can occasionally leave behind dazzling dust tails that last for many seconds. Although the declining gibbous moon may obscure some of the fainter meteors this year, a decent display is still possible. After midnight, the best view will be from a dark place. Number 8. Eta AQUARIDS Meteor Shower Peaks. Early May will be a treat for meteor viewers, as the sky conditions for the peak of the Eta AQUARID meteor shower should be practically ideal. The finest views of this shower will come in the early morning hours of May 5th. The waxing crescent moon will set early the night before, leaving the skies dark enough for observers to see even the tiniest shooting stars. During the shower, the meteors will appear to emanate from the constellation Aquarius, which will be visible near the southeastern horizon. The show will slightly favor viewers in the southern hemisphere because the shower's radiant where the meteors appear to originate is located in a southerly location in the sky. In a clear sky away from city lights, as many as 20 to 30 shooting stars can be seen per hour, though in the northern hemisphere, the number may be closer to 10 to 20 per hour. Number 7. Total lunar eclipse. In the middle of May, people all throughout the United States will be able to see a partial or total lunar eclipse, where the Earth's shadow totally covers the moon. Only the sun's rays that travel through Earth's dusty atmosphere will be reflected by the moon at peak eclipse. Solar blue light will be mostly filtered away, leaving a classic blood-red glow on the eclipsed moon. Number 6. The biggest full moon of the year. Due to the elliptical orbit of the moon around Earth, some full moons are closer than others. On July 13, 2022, the closest, and so the seeming largest, occurs. The Buck supermoon in July will be best visible in the eastern sky during noonrise. During the next few days, expect a wide range of ocean tides from very low to extremely high. Number 5. 5 planets align. Early risers in June will be able to observe a rare alignment of all the main planets visible to the naked eye: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and maybe Uranus, though seeing the last planet would necessitate perfect sky conditions. Finally, between June 18th and June 27th, the Moon will pass close to each of these planets. The crescent moon will pass by the ice giant Uranus on June 24th and 25th, making it easier to spot, especially with binoculars. Look for a dot that is unmistakably green in color. On June 26, stargazers won't want to miss the moon's close approach to super bright Venus. The elusively weak Mercury then has its turn with the moon on June 27th, when both will appear immersed in the early twilight. Number 4. PERSEID Meteor Shower Peaks. The PERSEID meteor shower, dubbed the finest meteor shower of the year by NASA, occurs every August as Earth passes through debris left by Comet 109P Swift-Tuttle, which was detected separately by Lewis Swift and Horace Tuttle in 1862. This meteor shower will peak this year on the night of August 12th and the morning of August 13th. It will be visible from July 17th to August 24th. The shower can generate up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak. Number 3. Total lunar eclipse. Total lunar eclipses occur twice a decade, and the next one will take place on November 7th and 8th, 2022, when the moon will appear reddish-orange throughout North and South America, Asia, and Europe. Some regions of eastern Australia, as well as sections of western North America and Canada, will be able to witness the complete eclipse, as will parts of eastern Russia and New Zealand. However, when the moon sets in the west, the east and most of South America will be able to see partial stages of the eclipse. Number 2. Mars opposition. During the second half of 2022, one of Earth's nearest neighbors will become a conspicuous presence in the night sky, attaining peak brightness in early December as it approaches opposition. From Earth's perspective, when the red planet is in opposition to the Sun, it is known as Mars opposition. As a result, it may be seen throughout the night and glows brighter than other stars. Number 1. The Geminid meteor shower. Have you ever witnessed a meteor shower? If you haven't already, this is your opportunity. The annual Geminid meteor shower is expected to peak before dawn on December 14th. At the peak of activity, you may expect to observe up to 90 Geminid meteors each hour under optimum circumstances. However, this year's weather isn't great. From midnight until dawn, the declining gibbous moon will shine brightly, drowning out many of the weakest meteors. But don't let that stop you from going outside to watch in the crisp night air. The Geminid meteor shower is full of dazzling meteors and fireballs that shoot across the sky in long, sluggish streaks. You will see lots of meteors if you keep the moon at your back. The meteors appear to come from our constellation Gemini, the twins, thus the shower's name. In 1862, the first Geminid meteor was observed. Since then, the shower has become increasingly powerful. It wasn't until 1983 that the source of the Geminid meteors was discovered. The infrared astronomical satellite IRAS discovered a tiny asteroid at the same orbital path as the meteor swarm at that time. It was named 3200 Python and was the first asteroid to produce a meteor shower. Icy comets are responsible for almost all of the other yearly meteor showers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your buddies. And if you have any idea for videos you would like to see, please let us know. I'll see you next time.